I just started an exciting new poll on YouTube. It's a public poll, so anyone can take part in this poll, and I've put it out on the Telegram channels for OODES as well as a Facebook page and group for OODES. And there's a large amount of people on those pages and groups. There's 31,000 people on the OODES group, and there's 25,000 people on the OODES page. So I hope to reach as many people as possible. I would ask you to share that poll with as many people as possible. I'll give you a link in the description below this video, as well as in the first pinned comment. And this poll that I'm doing is on the building of new nuclear infrastructure. And the reason why I want to do this poll, and the reason why I asked the questions the way I did, is because we need to have a public discussion. And I think this is quite a serious discussion, something that I picked up on, something that I'm noticing. And at the moment, 40 people have already responded to this poll. It's probably more by now. But I said, do you support the building of new nuclear power station infrastructure in South Africa? I didn't say at the coast or inland or anything like that. So I didn't specify. And then I had an option of yes, had an option of no, and then yes, but nowhere near me. In other words, people that believe in nuclear power, but they don't want it built near them. It can be built near someone else. And then I'm not sure, I do not know enough about nuclear, which might be the case for many people. And these questions are very important to me. And I would love you to just take part in the poll, be as honest as you can. And through these questions, I can inform myself as to what needs to be done to just help people to make informed decisions. Because this is something that we truly need to think about. And for the first time in a long time, on my private Facebook page, where I post private things about our family, etc., I put out a link to this post. So I've done this myself. I've gone and shared this poll on my private Facebook page. And what I said there is nuclear new build poll. I would appreciate your participation in the following public opinion poll. This is not what I would normally post on my personal page. However, I am becoming increasingly concerned around the inaction concerning this issue, and maybe you should also be concerned. Eskom is bragging about extra electricity and believes it could be used to power AI data centers when they know they will lose most of their coal fleet from the 1st of April 2031. So 3 big coal-fired power stations should be decommissioned by then. Now, they might decide in September now to actually continue using those until they absolutely fall apart, but there's no guarantee that these old stations are going to survive. They should have been decommissioned already. And that happens on the 1st of April 2031. And I said, and no, that is not an April Fool's joke. There needs to be opinions expressed and concerns raised, or we will face an electricity supply cliff by 2035. And this is based on someone that understands the electricity grid, understands Eskom, worked in Eskom since 1992, was a nuclear professional that ran nuclear reactors, saw what happens to the grid when we have brownouts, blackouts, etc. So I am concerned. I want to know how people feel, and it's important that we understand how people feel to address this issue, because there is no gap that we are creating to fill this at this stage, and I do not see a clear way forward for our country to survive from 2031 to 2035 if we don't take measures now to replace what we will lose then. And there are no plans to build any new coal-fired power stations with spinning reserve, with heavy rotors spinning in real time, something that cannot be replaced by anything else. So I want your opinion. So please, remember, in the description below this video, as well as in the first pinned comment, you will find the link to that poll. So please have your say. And in the comments below that poll, you can also give your opinion, and then I can decide how I need to inform people from there on. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks for me being able to rely on you to take part in these polls. Normally, we have more than 500 people taking part in a poll. I would like it to be thousands in this case. You can help to do that. Thanks so much. Till the next video.